Welcome to a Concierge tutorial video by Digital Signage. In this video, I'll show you how to create a promotion, which is how you can get your screens to show images or videos when they aren't showing events. On the promotion page, click the plus button down the bottom right corner to start a new promotion. Upload the image or video file you want to show on the screens by clicking the File button. For images only, you can set a duration which will determine how long the image will be shown before moving to the next piece of content. For promotion playback, we can set a date range for the promotion using the date from and the date to fields. We can set a daily start and end time for the promotion using the daily start time and daily end time fields and using 24-hour time. The promotion priority determines how the promotion interacts with events. When set to override, the promotion will show regardless of what events are on. Alternate events means the promotion will show when the event's on, and the screen will alternate between the event screen and the promotion content. When no events means the promotion will only show when no events are scheduled. Finally, we can choose which days the promotion will play here in the Days field. The Players tab lets us decide which screens will show the promotion, and we can select specific screens, or all rooms, all foyers, or all screens to show the promotion. Hit the Save button once you've entered in the promotion information, and the promotion will show in your list of promotions, ready to play on the selected screens according to the conditions you have set up.